About this item: durable, pure copper plated joints, fine solder joints, resistance to plug, and good contact to ensure high quality, durability and a long life. Stable transmission. This DB15 Solderless Breakout connector adopts 24AWG double-layer shielded cable and copper crimp terminals, which has stable signal transmission and good shielding effect. DB15 line sequence color comparison table: 1 black, 2 black and white, 3 brown, 4 brown and white, 5 red, 6 red and white, 7 orange, 8 yellow, 9 green, 10 blue, 11 purple, 12 gray, 13 white, 14 pink, 15 light green. Zinc alloy metal shell, anti-pressure, anti-interference, anti-high temperature. Widely applications: it can connect all kinds of RS232/RS485 and other communication protocols devices, such as computer and tax control machine, digital camera, PLC, PDA, modem, set-top box, barcode machine, industrial instrumentation, and other equipment for communication. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: durable, pure copper plated joints, fine solder joints, resistance to plug, and good contact to ensure high quality, durability and a long life. Stable transmission. This DB15 Solderless